Alright, so before we jump in the video, if you like Mustang content or here lately more gun content, give me a like and subscribe. It helps the channel out, helps me out, and helps me grow. If you're just here for this one video, hey, thanks for stopping by. But if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe, share, whatever, and we're gonna dive into this video. What is going on? So today I'm gonna tackle a project on the old farm pony back here. I've had this for a little while and been waiting for the temperatures to cool down a little bit because I didn't want to do it when it was 110 degrees. So kind of got a little cool front here in Texas, and it's down in the high 80s, mid 80s right now. So figured it'd be a good time to test it out. As I'm getting buzzed by a little Cessna up here. But yeah, so anybody who has a basically S197 Mustang will know all the way back from 2005 to 2014 this is a very common problem, and my car developed it, and I got tired of looking at it, tired of the mess, so I decided it was time to do something about it. So I found these on eBay, which are back here in this box. I'll pull them out here in a second, and hopefully that'll solve my problem. So what is the problem? Door panels. The fabric or leather comes off on them. It's like that on both sides. So hopefully what's in this box is gonna fix that problem. What we got here, everything should be, it's all in here. So I'll bring this over here. As you can see, the manufacturer here, Coverlay. This is, I bought the black panels. I bought these back in May. It's now September. That shows you how long I've had these. But let me go ahead and pull this out and show you what we're looking at today. That's the passenger side and the driver's side. So this is what we're looking at. It's an ABS plastic that mimics leather, and with a little bit of luck here, we're gonna get these installed right there. So before I can do anything, I've got to get all of this foam backing here off, which is the biggest problem. This all just comes off and it just coats your car everywhere. It gets in everything. So I've got to scrape that off. I'm not going to bore you with that part, but I will show you what I'm going to attempt to use. Went to Home Depot and I picked up a Lincoln Electric stainless steel weld cleaner, whatever you want to call it. Basically for scraping your welds. Figured this would be a good thing to try to knock all that off. So I'll go ahead and set the camera up, get a little bit of footage of me scraping this clean, and then we'll go on to the next step. I'll show you what the directions say to install these, glue them on, whatever. Just do one side on camera, don't need to do both, and then we'll look at the finished product and see how it works. So let me get started. Let's give this a shot. I got the small ones, that way I can get in here without hopefully scratching my door panel at all. I'm going to attempt this with the door panel on. If it goes smoothly, then I'll leave that one on the passenger side. But if I have problems, then I'm going to pull the door panels off and do it off the car. So hopefully it works like this, because I really don't want to have to take it off. So I'm going to kind of follow the directions. I went ahead and just cut the cap off kind of small so I don't over put it on and run out for the other side. So kind of let me just throw it on like it shows it in the picture. So I'm just gonna put extra contact points here. Set this to the side and move the camera back over and get this on. Let's see how this goes. Snap in there. Yeah, see, it's not. That tape's not going to hold it. So I'm actually going to. I'm gonna stop this and come back. I'm gonna try something. So I ended up doing a little bit of improvising. Took some of my Kydex holster foam, folded it, and I put it in the spots that's a little bowed to push it up against there while it dries. So I'm gonna let this cure, and I'm gonna move on to the other side over there and get that one all cleaned up and see if I can't get that panel on, and then I'll come back and show you the end result. All right, so I had to redo the driver's door because I figured out on the other side I screwed up. This is why you watch these videos. The donkey decided to show up. But let me show you what I found. I thought that was just all the glue material, but that was actually still part of the vinyl. So when I was doing the passenger side over there, I found it because it was coming up, so I pulled it off, and it went on a lot cleaner on that side. So I pulled this driver's side panel off, ripped off that vinyl again, cleaned up the door itself, got the little bit of vinyl that was stuck on there off, and glued it back in, and it fits a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish taping this up, and then I'm gonna go get the vacuum, do a thorough inside detail cleaning because it hasn't been done in like 8 months. It's got a lot of dirt in it from being out here on the farm. So I'm gonna go get that done, and then hopefully it'll be dry enough I can pull the tape off and give you a final reveal of what the new door panels look like. They already look 1,000,000 times better. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off here, finish this up. Donkey. And we'll go on from there. So I'll be right back. Okay. Donkey. 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 All right. I'm all finished. The glue is holding good enough for it to stay without the tape and finish cooking on. But I'll go ahead and bring the camera in and show you the end result. And I'll tell you right now, if you got an S197 and your door panels look like crap, this is definitely the way to go. So let me go ahead and bring the camera down. Much better. Come around to the other side. That's a 110% improvement. So if you got ugly door panels, I'll try to find this stuff on eBay. It should still be there. I'll put the links below. Pretty simple to do. Just takes a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of time, and you'll be all set. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Other than that, I will catch you on the next video, and have a great day.